Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm your host TJ, and today we will be reviewing the Monarch case from UAG, and this is for the Note 20 Ultra. This is the front of the box. You have the UAG branding on the top. This case has passed military grade testing. The specific model includes a leather type material. There are two other variants available as well. For those of you who don't know, the Monarch series of cases from UAG is their premium line. The back has more info on the case. It has 5 layers of protection, an armor frame, and a 10-year limited warranty. I don't know about you guys, but I certainly have high hopes for this case. Let's get this opened. First impressions, the case feels solid. It has a premium feel to it. On the sides, it has a cool honeycomb design. On the back, you have this epic armor frame with a leather material insert. Let's get this installed. Installation is straightforward. Line up the buttons and push the phone in. Guys, this case looks and feels incredible on the Note 20 Ultra. You do have some lip protection. Personally, I would not leave this or any phone face down. Taking a look at the back, the cutouts for the ports are generous without sacrificing on structural integrity of the case. As you can see, you can easily access the S Pen with no issues. The buttons provide a good tactile feedback. A tough case with great attention to detail. Overall light construction and accessible ports are some of the selling points. Having all of this in a semi-slim case is the cherry on top. All in all, if you are in the market for a premium case for your Note 20 Ultra, I highly recommend you check out the Monarch by UAG. Shout out to Rowan for letting me unbox this case. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what Batmobile is your ultimate favorite. My name's TJ, and I will catch you on the next one.